امریکہ بحری جھڑپ کے باوجود ایران کے ساتھ مذاکرات کر رہا ہے۔ امریکی صدر ٹرمپ نے دعویٰ کیا ہے کہ ایران جلد معاہدے پر دستخط کر دے گا۔ دھمکی دی ایران نے معاہدے پر دستخط نہ کیے تو مزید طاقت سے جواب دیں گے۔ ایران کی پہلی، دوسری اور تیسری رجیم چینج ہو چکی۔ بحری جھڑپ کے باوجود جنگ بندی برقرار ہے۔ بنائے ہرمز میں آج ایران کو ناک آؤٹ کر دیا۔ میڈیا سے گفتگو میں کہا کہ ایران کو امریکی بحری بیڑوں پر حملے نہیں کرنے چاہیے تھے۔ ایران کو کبھی ایٹمی ہتھیار بنانے کا موقع نہیں ملے گا۔ سوشل میڈیا پیغام میں دعویٰ کیا کہ ایرانی حملوں کے باوجود 3 امریکی ڈسٹرائر بنائے ہرمز عبور کرنے میں کامیاب ہو گئے۔ حملہ کرنے والے ایرانیوں کو بہت نقصان پہنچا۔ ایرانی کشتیاں، میزائل اور ڈرونز کو تباہ کر دیا گیا۔
Negotiating with the Iranians. We have, you probably heard, we took our 3 destroyers and we rammed them through some pretty big stuff today and we knocked the hell out of them. The destroyers weren't hurt in any way. The people weren't hurt, but they were firing at us and we were firing back at them. And our firepower was a hell of a lot stronger than theirs and they knocked the hell out of them. They took down a lot of small boats. You know, we call them small boats or fast boats. They're both small and they're fast, with some weaponry on the front. You know, this is what, so this is now replacing the Navy. They had a Navy 159 boats, they have none. Okay, they're all at the bottom of the sea, so they replace that with what they call the fast boat. It's a fast boat, big deal, it's fast, it's got a machine gun in front. They've been knocked down, they knocked out quite a few of them today. Yesterday they knocked out 8. They average 8 a day. This is some group of people we're dealing with. So, you know, it's very simple. Somebody said, what's your plan? I said, the plan is very simple. Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. It cannot have a nuclear bomb. And it's not going to have. And they're really at the end of the line. Really are at the end of the line. If there's no ceasefire, you're not going to have to know. You're just going to have to look at one big glow coming out of Iran. And they better sign their agreement fast.
Could you give us an update on what is the latest in those talks?
No, it's going, the talks are going very well, but they have to understand, if it doesn't get signed, they're going to have a lot of pain. They're going to have a lot of pain. They want to sign it, I will tell you. They want to sign it a lot more than I do.